Welcome to our YouTube video showcasing our fantastic outdoor playing equipment for kids, the 4-seater spring seesaw. Imagine the joy on children's faces as they hop onto our seesaw, designed to accommodate 4 little adventurers at once. Each seat is adorned in a vibrant blue color, adding a splash of excitement to playtime. Crafted with precision, the seats are securely attached to high-quality pipes, ensuring durability and safety for hours of fun. Beneath the seesaw lies a robust spring, carefully nestled in the heart of the equipment, providing the perfect balance and bounce for an exhilarating experience. Safety is paramount, which is why we've included supportive handles near each seat, allowing children to grip on securely as they soar through the air. With meticulous attention to detail, our product has been expertly balanced to guarantee a smooth and safe playtime for kids of all ages. At our company, we take pride in delivering nothing but the best quality playing equipment, providing parents with peace of mind and children with unforgettable moments of joy and laughter. So, join us in creating memories that last a lifetime with our 4-seater spring seesaw, the ultimate outdoor adventure for young thrill seekers.